Game time. Zappo. Zappo. Game time. Last ball. Assisted by Celso. Marciano to Celso to Banyana. 2 points. White ball. Assist dribbling, pass to Pizza Sol. Sol, pass to Ruben. Ruben dribbling, pass to Santos. Intercepted by Black. Celso serving the ball. Looking for Stephen, passes to Marciano. Intercepted by Richard Santos. To Pizza Sol. To Ronnie. Ronnie, for 3 points, no good. Rebound by assist. No good. Marciano. Pass to Banyana. Banyana drives. Replaces pass to Ori. Ori to Marciano. Marciano. No good. Another pass to Banyana. 2 points for Banyana. Pitch. Looking for his limit. Pass to Aziz. Asol. Jump to good. Rebound by Celso. To Marciano. So strong. White ball. Aziz dribbles. Passes to Ruben. Ruben jumps for 2. 2 points for Ruben. Ruben looking through. Celso. Goes into the corner. Looking for his teammate. Passes to Marciano. Marciano to Celso. Intercepted by... Oh, it's a last dance by 1. Black's ball. Celso. Passes to Marciano. Marciano jumps for 2. No good. Rebound by the white. Pitch passes to Rolly. Rolly inaharas ni Celso. Rolly looking for his teammate. Passes to Richard. Richard jumps for 2. No good. Race out by... Assist. No good. Celso. Racing. Jumps for 2. No good. Rebounded by Celso again. Celso passes to the brother. Brother jump shot. No good. Last touch. Last touch Black. Oh yeah. White ball. So looking for his teammate. Pass to Lopez. Lopez passes. That's the last touch. Last touch wide. Black's ball. 4-2. This score is 4-2. 1 minute 15 seconds for the first quarter. Paano 2 points by Malo. Galing. White ball. Assist. Assist trying to drive. Pass to Ruben. Ruben passes to Azul. Azul to Aziz. Aziz jumps for 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Peko Marciano. Celso. Celso to Marciano. Marciano raised up. Good for two. Intercepted by Black. Celso passes to Suarez. Orly to Celso. Celso passes to Marciano. Marciano good for two. 10 seconds. 4, 3. Whoa! 3.5 assists. And the first 5 minutes of first quarter. Score is 10-5. We were 10. Ang pangit na layo ng ibang. Ulit to assist. Ayos, parang all-star. Azul to assist. Assist jumps for two. Lugo, rebounded by Alfa Romeo. Well, passes to Fernando. Fernando jumps for two. Lugo, passes only rebounded the ball. Cristobal jumps for two. Lugo, rebounded by Manuel. Manuel dribbling. Manuel passes to Casperes. Di Kuya, jumps for two. Lugo, rebounded by Aziz. Aziz tumatakbo. Passes to Cristobal. Jumps for two. Lugo. Good. Now Blasco. Marandang drive. Lugo. Atol to Aziz. Connection. Good for two by Aziz. Score is 10-7. Well to Solano. Solano passes to Noel. Noel tries for three. No good. Rebounded by Carandang. Carandang passes to Solano. Solano good for two. 12-7 is the score. In favor of 12. Black. Favor of Black. Azul. Azul passes to Rolly. Intercepted by Well. Well passes to Carandang. Carandang lays up. Too strong. There's the last touch. Oh, jump ball. Black ball. Jump ball, jump ball. It's black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Fernando passes to Kuya Castres. To Solano. Solano jumps for two. 2 points for Solano. Alfa Romeo. Oh. Score 14-7. Aziz drives. 2 points for Aziz. Last ball. 2 minutes 9 seconds. Score is 49. Fernando dribbling. Pass to Romy. Romy to Kuya. Intercepted by the white guy. Line ball. White ball. Azul to Aziz to Richo. Aziz drives. Good ball. Rebound by Aziz. So good. Another drive. There's the foul. What's the goal? Foul? What's the goal? Foul. What foul? 45? What foul? 37. Manuel. First try. Good. Second try. Free throw is good by assist. Score is 4-10. Dribbling. Well, passes to Kuya Castres. To Robin. Robin jumps for two. Do good. Rebounded by Black. Fernando. To Robin. Robin jumps. No good. Oh, there is a foul. Offensive foul by Benny Castres. Oh. 13 seconds. 9 seconds. Time. End of first quarter. Soul to Richard. Richard back to Azul, to Aziz. Aziz makes 3 points. 3 points by Aziz. Score is 14-13. Laman at 14. Celso can bring. Celso jumps for 2. No good. Nilabas yung pula. Too strong. Blocks ball.
Pinaliwa kasi ko kanan.
Binyana. Dribbling. Binyana is follow yung bantay niya. Marciano jumps for 2. No good. Rebounded by Black. Celso drives, passes to Malo. Last touch, Black. White ball. Inaharap si Celso si Kuya Pitts. Santos. Last touch, Black.
At sa sanaw.
Sa mukha. Assist to Azul. To Rolly. Rolly to Azul. So, thinking. Pass to Richard to Raul. To Mira Cruz. Change P-Ward. 15-14. Favor of 5. Black, Palo tries for 2, no good. Rebound by intercepted by Aziz. Aziz passes to Raul. Intercepted by Celso. Pero nakuha ni Aziz ulit. Rolly try for 3. Too strong. Rebounded by Marciano. Vinyana waiting for his teammates. Pass to Celso try for 3. No good. Rebound by White. By Richard Santos. Richard. Dribbling. Pass to Aziz. Aziz to Richard. There is a foul. Foul by Celso. Castres.
Babae! Itlog ka dyan nanonood hindi naman ko.
Number 33 foul. 2 minutes for Richard.
Kapalit kasi kung hindi na kaya malakpo. Interference. Hindi. Itlog
First
ka.
round.
Baba. Sa video nakatingin. Lalahanin mo, nanonood
2 minutes and 10 seconds. The minute time. Take a try. Still losing.
O, tama takasyon. Okay. Kung hindi ka bumaba, hindi ka makakasyon.
Score is 17-14. In favor of White. Let's go. Vinyana to follow drives. Passes to Vinyana. Tumira ng dalawa. No points by Vinyana. 17-16. Favor of White. Santos to Aziz. Wow. One by Frank Aziz. Bonus breakthrough. Yeah, 1916. Number 17 foul. Bonus breakthrough by Kraft assist. Basket is good. 2016. 1 minute, 2 seconds. Celso. Celso drives. No good. Rebound and follow. Follow attempting for 2. No good. Assist. Celso tried for 3. Intercepted by the white guy. Jump ball. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Last touch. Marciano was intercepted by the white side. Rolling passes to the wrong teammate. Time. First 5 minutes of second quarter. Isco. The Irving. The assist.
Lalabas na, makakararo
The
lang.
bell.
Lalabas na yung Kuya Isko, makakararo lang.
To assist. Assist by 50 points. 2 goals. The bounding by Black. Parangdan. Intercepted by assist. Passes to Rolly. Rolly at 40 points. No good. Rebounded by Black. To Benny Castres. To Alfa Romeo. Romy Solano. Romy dribbling. Pass to Mr. Fernando. Presented by assist. Assist drive. Good for 2 by assist. 22-16. Beware of 22. Beware of wide. Fernando passes to no one. Turnover by Black.
Pre, ganda ng sapatos mo!
White ball. Passes for Lopez.
Big na big!
Lopez looking for his teammate. Thinking if he wants to drive or pass the ball to Isco. Isco, pass to Rolly. Rolly to Rolly. Rolly drive for 3 points. 3 points by Rolly. 25-16. Pass to Castres Belly to Alfa Romeo. There's a foul. What foul, rep? Number 6, Francis foul. Versus foul. 2 free throws for Alfa Romeo. First try.
Ating kompleto
Basket is good.
Lapit pa ka, wala si Ernest. Wala si Ernest. Kapantay mo kasi ganyan na rin. Daw eh, wala ka naman. 35-30 lang.
Second try. Good. Rebound by Benny Castres. Good. Assist to Yormi. Yormi, laras ng Black. Pero na-intercept ulit ng White. Foul. Black and foul.
Nagalaw ka, kuya. Nagalaw.
Mr. 22 foul.
Hoy! Aba,
13 foul.
bilisan ako. Pati naman ito. Walang kape. Walang palaman. Wala pang kape.
Yormi, siya na foul ng bola. Pass to assist. Assist to Robin. Robin tries to do. 2 points by Robin. Lopez. Last ball. The score is 27-17. Fernando, pass to Manuel. Fernando tries for 2. Look, rebound by White. Assist pass to Rolly. Intercepted by Alfa Romeo. Solano. Right.
Fade away.
No good. Rebounded
Huwag na
by
galayaw!
Karandang.
Ay, talaga, malas kayo. Malas kayo, malas.
Off. Rather, without passport. Last ball.
Makasasentay
Noel to Alfa Romeo. Laras to White. To Castres. Castres to Ruby. Nice to Ruby. Yorbi passes to Rolling. Rolling lays up. Good for two by Rolling. 29-17 is the score. Well tries for three. No goal. Rebounded by White. Assist. Pass to Lopez. Ruben.
Ay!
Two points by Ruben. 31-17. Malakwan na po ang White. Karandang to Mr. Fernando. Fernando. Last touch by Black. White. Time.
Biglang
End of second quarter.
Ay, ito pala kalap namin.
Score is 31-17 in favor of White.
Wala pa si Jojo, pa kami dalang pansin.
last game.
Now we're in the third
2
quarter.
points ka. Ikaw lang ang double digit. Ang last game nyo, malas yung kasama mo. So, last game.
Position, Black.
2 points, 4 points, 6
Black.
points. Ikaw,
Score is
Wala
31-17.
kasi ko na eh.
Change score. Change score. Black ball.
Makakalimutan kami, mahirapan naman ako. Kaso nga, nakakatamad kami sa bawal-bawal eh.
Black ball.
White tipe.
Black ball.
Black ball.
Stop. Black ball.
White tipe.
Black inbounding. Nelson passing to Marciano to Noel. Noel tries for two. 2 points by Noel.
Na. Isa pa yan. Ang malaki na pala naman.
Santos. Kaya nagbawa ng bola. Score is 31-19.
Wala, maganda na yun.
Santos to Raul to Ruben.
Hoy, nakashoot na
Ruben
eh!
for three.
Ay, wala eh.
Rebounded by Benyana.
Di ba para masali?
Number 17. Kaya nagbawa ng bola. Passes to Noel. Noel tries for two. No good. Rebounded by Benyana.
Apa kasi ni
Flat
Kuya
by
Kay?
Marciano to Castres. Castres try for three. No good. Rebounded by Castres again. Again, at the follow. Half time by follow.
Ano?
Oh, I like it. I like it.
Yeah. Anyways,
31-21 is the score. Number 93, Asol, dribbling. Waiting for his teammate, trying to pass or drive. Yorbi passes to Ruben. Ruben tries to do good. Rebounded by Yorbi. Yorbi looking for his teammate. Passes to Asol. 2 points by Asol.
Lakas ba yan? Nilabutan mo si Pala.
Score is 33-21.
rebounder nila si Yorme,
Well,
rebounder.
perfect. Naras na Ruben, passes to Vinyana. Vinyana passes to Noel. Noel tries for two. So good. Rebounded by Ruben. Foul.
Lock out! Lock! Right ball! Yan, hinga.
Black ball. Foul, lays up. No good.
Pagkataibigan na yun.
It's to Marciano. Marciano back to Castres. Castres tries to do. Rebound by Atol. Atol to Yorvin. Yorvin does traveling without passport.
Hindi ka makabalik.
Black ball. Well, dribbling. Passes to Marciano. Marciano try for two. No good. Rebounded by Richard. Richard. Right. Now also Richard. Richard lays up. 2 points by Richard. 35-21 is the score.
Sa una lamang muna eh.
Viñana. To Marciano. To Palo. Palo. Foul. And one. Ruben foul. Bonus free throw.
Baka niyo kaya pag po nakabel na yun.
Basket is good. We follow. Score is 35-24. People up 35. Azul. Ganas si Castres. So, Richard. Intercepted by Castres. Castres drive. Good for two by Celso. Azul, dribbling. Oh, it's gone. Intercepted by Black. Viñana dribbling. Passes to Celso. To Marciano. Marciano. Attempt for two. No good. Rebounded by Isco. Isco to Pisasol. Sol to Ruben. Alfonso turnover. Ruben to Santos. Santos try for two. No good. Rebound by Marciano. Marciano to Celso. Celso passes to Viñana. Viñana tries for two. 2 points by Viñana. 35-28. Wide. Dribbling passes to Richard. Richard to Noel. Noel to Assis. Asol, sorry. Asol try for three. No good. 5 minutes. Now we're in the second 5 minutes of third quarter. Score is 35-28. Favor of Wide. 35-28 is the score.
Time! Time!
Traveling.
Dalawang isip pa.
Wide score. Assist to Rolly. Rolly intercepted by Celso. Celso drives. There's a foul. Number 15, Lopez. Two free throws for Celso. First shot, no good. Second try.
Kasi nakakikalapang pala eh.
Basket is good. Score is 35-29. We were at 35. Since kinaharas yung duel,
Wala si Oka.
passes to... Wow.
Face ko kuya, face ko.
Host foul. Host foul. Solano. Solano. White ball. Assis. Assis. Jumps for two. 2 points by Aziz.
Ganda ka naman. Isa pa kayo please.
Score is 37-29. Well, well. Looking for his teammate, passes to follow to Opeñana. Opeñana lays up for 2. 2 points by Opeñana. Score is 37-31. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Aziz, try for 3. No good.
Huwag ka magmadali. Ano ka ba?
Follow to Celso.
Alam kayo eh.
Celso inaharas. Passes to Noel. Noel to Opeñana. To Celso. Celso try for passes to Noel.
Ay! Wala strike.
So Opeñana jump for 2. Basket is good.
Ay, nagpamadali kasi.
37-33. White ball.
Press! Press!
Aziz tries to drive. Foul. 91.
Ay, sorry. Laban!
Warning black. Warning black. Side throw.
Ay! Ay! Sandala lang, Bay!
White ball. Rolling. Rolling like for 3 points. Basket was moving. So Noel. Noel lays up. 2 points by Noel. 37-35. 2 points game. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Robin dribbling.
Basketball ka eh.
Looking for his teammate. Passes to Rolly. Rolly like for 3 points. 3 points by Rolly.
Money!
40-35 in favor of White. Celso to Opeñana. Opeñana to Malo, intercepted by Aziz.
Para!
Aziz to Rolly. Rolly drives. 2 points by Rolly. 42-35.
Nice.
49 seconds remaining time. 40 quarter. Celso to Rolly Solano. Rolly Solano. Passes to Malo. Foul. What's foul, red? Number 15 foul. Ruben, 3 foul. 2 free throw by Malo. 3 team fouls, 3 fouls for Ruben. Two seconds remaining. First drive. Basket is good. The follow. Last drive. This is the end of the third quarter. Second try, no good. Score is 42-36. COVID timeout. Black ball. Bench and bench. Bench. Black ball. This is the final quarter. Roby Solano dribbling. Pass to Palo. Foul. What's foul? Lopez. Four personal foul by Ruben. Black and fouling. Hinaharas si Ruby ni Aziz. Marciano to Ruby. Robin to Marciano. Marciano down for two. No good. Rebound by Karantan. Karantan tries for two. No good. There's a foul. Foul by Vince Gasol. Second and foul. Two free throws by Karantan. First try. Basket is good. Second try. No good. Rebounded by White. Richard looking for Stevie. Passes to Ruben. Ruben inaharas ni number 65. Last time by White. Marciano. Inaharas ni Yormin to Benny Castres. Intercepted by Ruben to Aziz. Aziz tries to drive. No good. Rebound by Karantan. Karantan tumatakbo. Foul mula ng bola. Pass to Romy. Romy to Marciano. Marciano tries for two. Basket is good. 2 points. Happy birthday to Jojo Mika. Maligayang arawan. White ball. Score is 42-39. 3-point game. Asol to Aziz connection. 2 points by Aziz. 44-39. 7 minutes 25 seconds. Ruby. Dribbling pass to Peko. Peko to Ruby. Ruby jumps for two. Good. The ball is ready. No count according to the referee. 45 foul. Substitution. Number 45 foul. Aziz.
Aras!
Joel. Vinyana looking for a slipping. As to follow. Follow to Noel. Noel tries for two. Intercepted by White. Foul. Seventeen foul. Vinyana. Second foul by Vinyana. Second 10 foul. Now it's White ball. Vince passes to Isco. Isco passes to Richard. Richard tries for two. There's a foul. Number 17 foul. 3 fouls. 3 fouls. Vinyana 3 fouls. First try by Richard. Basket is good. Last free throw by Richard. Richard. Basket is good. Time out by Black. Sertong sinesetap yung mga kape niya. Pasto Vinyana. Vinyana, Manuel, kay Pontri. Basket is no good. Last touch one. Same ball. Sertong, siya nag-inbound. Pasto Vinyana. Vinyana to Castres. Castres to Castres connection. Foul. Oh, 3 seconds. Sorry, no foul. 3 seconds. White ball.
Lalo na sa kapatid niya, ayaw mo na.
Sorry. Lopez. Lopez to Azul. Azul to Yogi. Yogi. Pass to Aziz. To Lopez. Lopez try for 3. 24 seconds violation. Violation. Execution. Celso. Dribbling. Pass to Viñana. Viñana to Noel. Back to Celso. Celso to Noel. To Palo. Intercepted by White. Aziz. Pass to Azul. Azul to Aziz. Aziz drive. Foul by Castro Celso. 2 free throws. Warning for penalty. Free throw pa rin. First try. Good. Try.
Para pag nag-birthday ka, alam mo na yung regalo ko sa'yo.
Asking was good.
Kulay ng buhok.
Celso. Passes to Robin. Robin right for 2. 2 points by Robin. Score is 50-41. Lopez to Yordi. Intercepted by Celso. Celso drives. 2 points by Celso. 50-43. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Richard. Last foul by Celso. Penalty. Remaining time 3 minutes 9 seconds. Score is 50-43. First free throw by Richard. No good. Last guy. Basket is good. One. Palo drives. Intercepted by White. Aziz to Richard. Richard drives. Basket is good. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Viñana to Celso. Celso to Noel. Noel try for 3. 3 points by Noel. 53-46 remaining time. 2 seconds. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Azul to Richard. Richard to Ruben. Ruben waiting for statement. Ruben. 3 seconds by Yorbi. 2 minutes and 9 seconds.
Makatingin ka, parang papatay ka.
Celso to Noel to Palo. Palo tries to break straight. Basket is good. White pushing. Viñana tries to shoot. 2 points by Viñana. Score is 50.
Sa'yo na sa gunda ko ba?
1 minute and 45 seconds remaining time. Foul. Noel. Nakita. Penalty. Si Noel. Noel Manuel.
minutes.
Kasi buhato niyo. Last po kayo. Sa itim ako, class 3 kayo. Sa itim ako, class 3.
Side, kasi
Penalty.
Only ba?
First try by Team Sasol. No good.
Ngayon po, gusto sa...
1 minute, 41 seconds. Last try.
Hindi na padalang si Kwenta sa amin nagsapos.
No good. Rebounded by Isko. Jump ball.
Lakas ni Kuya Isko!
White ball.
Madami pa yan na inong last fight.
Jump ball ang sabi namin na rin. Jump ball. It's white ball.
Lakas ni Kuya Isko, dami na inong last fight.
Rebounded by Black. Black. Celso. Pass to Noel. Noel to Celso. Celso try for 3. One kick is good. 53 all. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Roy drives. Good point by Roy. 55, 53, 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. 55, 53, 1 minute and 2 seconds. Well tried for
Kay Kuya Isko. Ay, patay ka kay Kuya Isko! Kuya Isko!
jump ball.
Sa daming vitamina niya na kayo na inom.
Black ball, 55 seconds remaining time. Black ball. Noel to Celso.
Sa daming vitamins niya na inom.
Celso drives.
Oh, trapez! Sabi mo na trapez ka!
Traveling.
Nadinig niya si,
49 seconds remaining time.
Dalawang kamay na!
Pitch dribbling.
Lapitan mo na!
Pitch crossing the midline. Pitch. Inaharap si Noel. Noel to Isko. Isko inaharap si Palo.
Labas!
Aziz jump to 2. Foul. Time out. By Black. Remaining time 26 seconds.
Buhay patalo eh.
Second time out ng Black. Time out. Horse foul, red.
Wala yun eh.
Horse foul. Red. Horse foul.
Wala yun.
Palo.
Ano? Wala yun eh. Kita ko eh.
Substitution.
Kita ko ito wala eh. Kita ko dito wala eh.
Halo!
Oo, wala yun. Kita ko eh.
26 seconds remaining time. 55-53.
Sa
Lamang ang white. First drive. Basket is good. Basket is good.
Akal na nito.
Second drive.
Wala namang gamot dito.
By Brown assist. No good. Rebound by Azul. 2 point by Azul. Black. Nakaras. Nakaras. Foul by Azul. Number 6 foul. Penalty.
yung out.
Apat pa lang. Celso to Noel. Pass to Celso drive. Pass to Peñana tries to shoot. No good. Rebound by Celso. Good points by Celso.
Foul! Gali mo
Goal
rin!
58-55.
Prita!
Foul 33.
Pedro!
Magtutusat siya.
Ada di kamera!
3 seconds remaining time.
Dalawang shot kan! Dalawang shot!
58-55.
Alim mo na!
Yogi.
Hinga, hinga, hinga!
No free throws by Yogi. First
Patay,
round.
patay kayo dyan!
No good. Kailangan ng report. 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Wala, lasing pa yata yan! Oh, shoot na yan! Pinasarap lang yan eh!
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Wala kayo time ha?
Score is 59-55. 15 seconds against 9. Well, Celso. End of the ball game. Final score 59-55.
Final score 59-55.